Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel after the intro because this video took a lot of effort and I promise it will help you build a real online business, step by step. Now, let's talk about one of the most important secrets in the online world: how to find your profitable niche. Number 1. Why your niche determines your success. These days, everyone wants to start a business, but most beginners jump in blindly. They build a website, create a product, and then hope people will buy. The truth is, success starts before you build anything. It starts with choosing the right niche, one that has real buyers, real needs, and real potential. If you don't choose wisely, you may spend months building something nobody wants. Number 2. What a niche really is. A niche is simply a specific group of people with a specific problem. It could be dog training, home decor, gardening, online marketing, anything. But the most powerful niches go even deeper. Micro-niches. These are smaller, laser-focused categories. Husky dog training, solar garden lighting, vegan skincare for men. These tiny niches often have less competition and more profit potential. Number 3. Why finding the right niche matters. A strong niche gives you a clear audience, clear problems to solve, clear products to create, and clear ways to make money. Without this foundation, your whole business becomes a guessing game. Smart entrepreneurs research first, create later. Number 4. What makes a niche profitable? Some niches naturally make money because they help people earn money, business, investing, marketing. They promise transformation, fitness, weight loss, confidence. They include high-ticket products, travel, luxury items, equipment. A profitable niche always has people willing to pay for solutions. Number 5. Evergreen niches versus trend niches. Trending niches explode fast and die fast. Examples: elections, viral products, seasonal events. Evergreen niches stay profitable year after year. Health, wealth, relationships, hobbies, parenting, personal development. If you want long-term income, evergreen is your friend. Number 6. Choose based on your interest, but with research. Your passion helps you stay consistent, but passion alone doesn't guarantee profit. You must ask, are real people paying for solutions here? Are there existing products? Are there gaps you can fill? Research protects you from building something that never sells. Number 7. Start as an affiliate to test the market. One of the easiest ways to begin is affiliate marketing. Promote products people already buy, earn commissions, discover what sells, and learn buyer behavior. If products in your niche sell well as an affiliate, you know it's a paying market. Number 8. Keyword research, your success radar. To understand what people want, study their searches. Look for keywords with high search volume, low competition, and clear buying intent, as in best, review, cheap, for sale, compare. This helps you see exactly where the money flows. Number 9. Analyze your competition. Competition is a good sign. It means people are buying. But you need to check how strong their websites are, what products they offer, their pricing, their email marketing strategy. The goal isn't to fear competition, but to understand how to outperform them. Number 10. Find your ideal customer. Your ideal customer is someone who has a clear problem, wants a solution, and is willing to pay for it. You find these on forums, social media, answer websites, and surveys. The better you understand people, the easier it is to sell to them. And finally, number 11. build relationships, and trust. People buy from those they trust, so create value before you sell anything. Share helpful content, build an email list, offer free guides, and engage on social platforms. This makes you memorable, reliable, and worth buying from. And our final thoughts are, success isn't about luck. It's about choosing a niche where people are ready to spend money and positioning yourself as the one who understands their needs best. Do the research, learn the market, and your niche will become the foundation of a real, profitable business. And don't forget to our outro. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss new videos. I'll be sharing more guides to help you build your online business the smart way. Stay focused and keep moving forward.